Hello, food lovers. Today we're going on an adventure to the Netherlands. Why? Because we're about to meet a special treat called a stroopwafel. Imagine a thin, crispy waffle. Now imagine it sliced in half and filled with yummy caramel syrup. That's a stroopwafel. It's like a little sandwich of happiness, and once you have one, you'll want to eat them all. Stroopwafels are perfect for any time of day. They're great with your morning coffee, a sweet treat in the afternoon, or even a late night snack. These little waffles are not too sweet, not too big. They're just right. So are you ready to learn more about this Dutch delight? Let's dive in. Every good treat has a story, and stroopwafels are no different. Our story takes us back to the 18th century in Gouda, a city in the Netherlands famous for its cheese. But it was a baker who made history, not a cheesemaker. This clever baker had a great idea. Use up leftover crumbs and dough scraps to make something delicious. He mixed the crumbs with butter and spices, creating a simple batter. He baked the batter in a waffle iron and then sliced the waffle in half. He filled the warm waffle with a special syrup made from butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. This syrup added a unique flavor and texture to the treat. And voila, the stroopwafel was born. The treat was a hit in Gouda, and soon everyone was enjoying them. From humble beginnings, stroopwafels have become a beloved snack worldwide, enjoyed by people of all ages. Today, you can find stroopwafels in markets, cafes, and even in your local grocery store. So next time you enjoy a stroopwafel, remember its rich history and the clever baker from Gouda who started it all. The treat was a hit in Gouda, and soon everyone was enjoying them. Making a stroopwafel is like a little dance. It starts with a simple batter made with flour, butter, sugar, eggs, and yeast. This batter is poured onto a hot waffle iron, creating a thin, round waffle. But here comes the fun part. While the waffle is still warm, it's quickly sliced in half. The baker then spreads a generous amount of warm caramel syrup on one half of the waffle. And finally, the other half is pressed on top, creating a delicious sandwich of crispy waffle and gooey caramel. It's magical to watch. Section 4. A symphony of textures and flavors. What makes stroopwafels so special? Oh, the taste. It's a delightful experience that tantalizes your taste buds. Imagine biting into a stroopwafel. The anticipation builds as you bring it closer to your mouth. First, you feel the satisfying crunch of the thin waffle. It's light, crispy, and oh so delicious. Then the warm, gooey caramel syrup oozes out, filling your mouth with its sweet and comforting flavor. It's like a warm hug in every bite. The combination of textures and flavors is simply irresistible. The crispy waffle and the smooth caramel create a perfect harmony. But there's more to love about stroopwafels than just their taste. They're also incredibly versatile, making them a favorite for many. You can enjoy them on their own, or you can get creative. The possibilities are endless when it comes to enjoying stroopwafels. Some people like to dip their stroopwafels in their coffee or tea, letting the warmth soften the caramel for an extra special treat. It's a delightful way to enhance your beverage experience. Others use them to decorate cakes or ice cream. The possibilities are endless. Whether as a topping or a side, stroopwafels add a touch of sweetness and crunch to any dessert. Section 5. Stroopwafel Heaven. Finding the best in the Netherlands. If you're lucky enough to find yourself in the Netherlands, you're in for a real treat. The country is famous for its delicious stroopwafels, a sweet and satisfying snack that you simply must try. Stroopwafels are everywhere, and you'll find them in bakeries, markets, and even supermarkets. These delightful treats are made from 2 thin layers of baked dough with a caramel-like syrup filling in the middle. But if you're looking for the best of the best, here are a few places you shouldn't miss. These spots are renowned for their exceptional stroopwafels. Gouda. As the birthplace of stroopwafels, Gouda is a must-visit for any true fan. The city is steeped in history and offers a variety of bakeries where you can taste the original stroopwafel recipe. You'll find countless bakeries offering their own unique takes on this classic treat. Each bakery has its own secret recipe, making every bite a new experience. Amsterdam, the capital city of the Netherlands, is a stroopwafel lover's paradise. With its vibrant street food scene, you'll find numerous vendors selling freshly made stroopwafels. Be sure to check out the Albert Market for a taste of authentic stroopwafels made right before your eyes. The aroma alone is enough to draw you in. Landskroon. This charming town is home to the famous Landskroon waffles, which are known for their extra thin and crisp texture. Enjoy them so Section 6. Take a bite and discover the magic you won't regret it. So there you have it, the wonderful world of Stroopwafels. This simple yet delicious treat has been bringing smiles to people's faces for centuries. Whether you try them in their homeland of the Netherlands or find them in a bakery near you, one thing's for sure. Stroopwafels are a treat that's sure to capture your heart and your taste buds. So go ahead, take a bite, and discover the magic of the Stroopwafel.